The integration of robotics in the ancient art of blacksmithing, a harmonious collaboration. The ancient art of blacksmithing, with its intricate techniques and intricate designs, has long been a testament to human craftsmanship. However, the advent of robotics has opened up new possibilities for this traditional trade, creating a harmonious collaboration between human skill and mechanical precision. Robots, with their unwavering accuracy and tireless endurance, have revolutionized the forging process, taking on repetitive and hazardous tasks with ease. They have transformed the forging process from heating and shaping metal to quenching and cooling into a streamlined and efficient operation. Despite their capabilities, robots lack the innate creativity and adaptability of human blacksmiths. They excel in executing predefined tasks with precision, but they cannot match the artistry and innovation that human blacksmiths bring to their work. The true strength of the robot-blacksmith partnership lies in their complementary skills. Robots provide the speed, consistency, and precision that are essential for mass production, while human blacksmiths contribute their creativity, problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail. This harmonious blend of human and machine capabilities has given rise to a new era of blacksmithing, where tradition and technology converge to create remarkable works of art. While robots have made significant inroads into the blacksmithing industry, they have not rendered human blacksmiths obsolete. The human touch remains an integral part of the creative process as blacksmiths continue to design, innovate, and execute intricate metalwork with unparalleled artistry. The integration of robotics in blacksmithing has opened up new avenues for creativity and innovation. Robots have enabled blacksmiths to explore complex designs and techniques that were previously impossible, pushing the boundaries of their craft. This collaboration has resulted in stunning works of art, from intricate sculptures to functional masterpieces, that showcase the harmonious fusion of human ingenuity and robotic precision. As technology continues to advance, the relationship between robots and blacksmiths is likely to evolve further. Robots may become even more sophisticated, capable of assisting blacksmiths in tasks that require fine motor skills and artistic judgment. This symbiotic relationship will continue to shape the future of blacksmithing, creating new possibilities for this ancient art form to thrive in the modern world.